To delete an entire notebook project in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with a Google account that owns the notebook. From the homepage, you will see a list of all your existing notebooks. Locate the notebook project you want to delete and open it to confirm you are working with the correct one. Before deleting, take a moment to review the contents of the notebook. This includes uploaded sources, saved notes, and any generated summaries or outputs. If you need to keep any of this information, make sure to copy or export it to another location, since deletion is permanent in most cases. Once you are ready, return to the Notebook Overview or home screen where all notebooks are displayed. Look for the Options menu associated with a notebook, often represented by a three-dot icon or similar settings control next to the notebook title. Click on the Options menu and select the Delete or Remove Notebook option. NotebookLM may prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed. Carefully read this prompt, as deleting a notebook will typically remove all associated sources, notes, and generated content from the workspace. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete or Confirm. After confirmation, the notebook project will be permanently removed from your NotebookLM account and will no longer appear in your notebook list. If you're using a Google Workspace or school account, you may find that deletion permissions are managed by an administrator. In some cases, you may need admin approval or access rights to delete shared or organizational notebooks. If you cannot find a delete option, it may also be due to interface updates or restricted permissions, in which case checking the Help Center or contacting your Workspace admin is recommended. And that's how you delete an entire notebook project in NotebookLM. Open your notebook list, select the Options menu, confirm deletion, and permanently remove the notebook along with all its sources and notes.